Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super momshies, today we are going to create a flower vase out of tea bags and envelopes. If you are ready, please be with me and we're going to start. These are the main materials that we're going to use. This is the tea bag envelopes. Whatever you have, you can use it. This is also the plastic cup and tape. We need also the foam sheets, pencil, ruler, and of course your magic scissor and cutter. And this one also, we need also to use this as the base, and of course the glue gun. So here we are going to roll this one. We'll make it like this. And then we will seal it with the tape. Alright, we rolled up 5 pieces like this. So this is one set of the tea bag envelope. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix it with the glue gun. Then I'm going to cut it. Now we're going to put some beads. So it will be look like this. Alright. Okay, so this is what we made already, that we're going to assemble it. Alright. So this one, we're going also to cut this one. Then after, we're going to attach it with the base of used CDs. So we cut already. We are going to cover this one with the foam sheet, so to make it more strong. So this is how we made it already. Now ready for assembling this tea bags. Alright. Okay, so this is how it looks like now. We're going to put the vase. So this is 3 series and of course the cardboard we're going to finalize. Alright, Super Momshies, this is now the final touch of our flower vase. Before we will end up this video, mega love shout out to all the subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos updates. Until next time, I'll see you. Babush!